Good morning and welcome to the Grade 2G Assembly. Please stand for the singing of O Canada. Here is Jonah with the news.
Elon Musk, SpaceX won over Boeing and captured a flag.
Here's Rowan with the weather.
Today will be a high of 24 degrees with a low of 12, with a 70% chance of rain.
Here is Ron and Rowan with the sports.
In sports, individual activities are reopening, like tennis, figure skating, cycling, and competitive gymnastics.
Here is Miles with the interesting facts.
Did you know that pirates never bury their loot? And did you know that turtles lived before dinosaurs? And did you know that strawberries are part of the rose family? Yum.
Here is McKenna and Xander with the jokes.
Why is 6 afraid? Because 7, 8, 9. What do you call Han Solo clones? Han duos.
Here's Avery with the birthdays.
Madeline in grade 6 is turning 12. Happy birthday!
Hey Madeline, I hope you have a fantastic birthday in 2020. And stay safe and enjoy the weather.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from...
Hey Madeline. Hope you have an amazing birthday. You are so smart and talented. Keep doing what you love.
Happy birthday, Madeline. I hope you have an amazing day and you get lots of treats and presents and a wonderful celebration. You're wonderful. Keep being you.
Happy birthday, Madeline. Have a great day celebrating with your family and have fun.
Happy birthday, Madeline. Have an amazing day from Dwart.
Happy birthday, Madeline.
Birthday, Madeline. Hope you have an
Hey Madeline, I wish you a happy birthday. This will be the final birthday I will be here with you. Next year, because me, Coco, and Diana are going to Appleby. I'm really going to miss you. You were a great friend and classmate. You were probably one of my first friends when I went to Fernhill. Thank you for being so nice to me. I'll miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Madeline.
Here's Sophia with the performance.
Today we're going to be making a nice orange slushie. First you're going to cut up some oranges and you're just going to squeeze them into a bowl. You can use a juicer or your bare hands. I prefer juicer, but whatever you want. And then when you have as much as you want, like I want 1 cup, so I have enough 1 cup. Then you're going to pour it into your blender. You can add as much more as you like. And then you're gonna add some ice. Don't add too much or else you're not really gonna get the flavor of an orange. You're gonna pour that into a blender. And then for just a bit of sweet, you're gonna add 3 seconds of agave syrup. 1, 2, 3. And now you're gonna be blending, so you might wanna cover your ears. Tropical drink to drink on a nice warm day. That's really good.
Thank you for watching the Grade 2G Assembly. Have a great day.